In front of me is ALCATEL 1T 10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In settings, tap on apps and notifications. Then click on default apps and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, browser app. Last but not least, just click on an app that you wish to apply, like Firefox. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!